I'm just adding this little bit of, oh. That was good. Oh my God, can you imagine if I can't get that off my nose? Kidding. Oh my God, use the wrong brush. Hello, and welcome back to Basically Ella, where we are doing another holiday set of videos. This time, Christmas! I'm quite excited for this because I actually love Christmas because most people tend to put a lot more glitter on their face during Christmas and holiday season, so I'm quite excited because today we are playing with glitter and I just love glitter. And today we're doing single and looking. So if people don't know, there's usually 3 different beauty looks. One is a bold eye, nude lip, bold lip, nude eye, or bold and bold. And we're gonna do all 3 of them. Today though, we're doing bold eye and nude lip. So let's dive into it. Let's have a good time. Let's play with some makeup. And we're gonna go dark with the eyes. We're gonna play with some black because I haven't done that in a long time. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our black pencil, get my hair out of my way, and then we're gonna go on the bottom lid there, our bottom waterline, and then I'm gonna extend it up from the bottom line. I'm not gonna go super big because I do want this to be wearable for a lot of people. You can make it bigger if you want it to be draggy, but this one's not going to be that. So essentially my basic drag look that I always do. Okay, and I'm gonna put that in my waterline. And then I'm gonna take this pencil and deepen it a bit, like a big wing. And then before she sets, I'm gonna take a little smudger brush. I wanna smudge this all out. Then we're gonna bring it inwards. I want it to get like this smoky look, but I want it to be all done with the pencil. We will be going with black shadow later, but I want it to be nice and smoky and no harsh edges. You can create that with your pencil. See how it looks? Then we'll do the same for the other side. Go on the bottom lash. I'm only going about 2/3 of the way across the lid with my black, and then going into the waterline. The only reason why I'm going 2/3 of the way is because when I take my brush and I start smudging it and pulling it in, it's going to put the black in that inner corner nice and softly instead of me putting the pencil there. Still looks quite dark, but it lightens up in the middle part because I just wanted to have a soft gradient of black, so it's deepest on the outer corner. Once again, create your wing. Make it as big as you want, as comfortable as you want, making it, as you can see, that size. Then take, oh my God, where'd it go? Oh. There it is. And then we're gonna smear it around. Not smear it, we're gonna buff it out. Make it nice and smoky. So while I'm doing my little buffing moment, I kind of moved my contact around. Everything's so blurry. There we go, I can see again. There we go. Remember, make your wing as big as you want it. Take a look back, see if you like it. I feel like I can use a little bit more black on this side, just to fill in this wing. Because I want the wing to like glide out from the bottom eye and extend up. So you can see how that one does. It just goes from the bottom and then extends up. That's what I want. The other eye didn't have that. Wanted to be a blonde bimbo because I'm single and looking, but the wig's bugging me. There we go. It's perfect. Super simple. That's mostly what we're all going to do with the eyeliner, not too much more with it. And now we're going to take some shadow, a little brush with a little tip on it, and then I'm going to put that on top. I'm going to dab it where I need it, both sides. And this is where I'm gonna bring it a lot farther in. Maybe extend it a tiny bit. But I'm putting very minimal pressure on my lid with my brush. Slightly feathering it out and pulling it in. Fantastic. Now, I'm gonna take a fluffier brush. I'm gonna dip into some browns. And I'm gonna put that all over the edge there, so we can buff that out a little bit more. Now you can put this as high as you want. Since I do have a hooded lid, I will be going a little bit higher than normal just so you can see that. But for yourself, if you don't, I'd probably end it right here. But since I need to put my eyeshadow higher so I can see it, I will be putting it a lot higher. So that to the other side. Then once again, I'd probably stop there if you have not a hooded lid, but since I do, going higher. Using soft sweepy motions with not a lot of pressure, little circles just to bring the color up. Take a step back, look at it, see if you want more, and I do. I want this outer corner to be quite deep with that brown. And then I'm gonna use the same brush and use a lot lighter brown. I'm gonna put that right in here. Beautiful gradient of color. It's good if someone doesn't want to go super black all over I already did black all over the lid, but we're not doing like blacks and grays. Still has that warmth from the brown. You can use a cooler tone brown if you want as well. But I now want more black. I want that black to be a little bit more intense. I'm gonna put that on the outer corner again, just dip in lightly. Go right up. Now take a little blender brush, current one that we had earlier with the product on it, and just buff that out. There we go. That's the kind of black that I want. You can see from the one eye to the other how just intense that has gotten. Take the hair out of the way. And then the blender brush, and then buff that out. Make it soft at the edge there. Perfect. Now we're gonna do that on the bottom lid. So I'm gonna take that first brown we had all over the bottom eye. But I'm not gonna extend it over the wing on the outer corner. I'm just gonna put it all under where I have my eye. So like from here to there. See that? Just remember, all the drama on this look is gonna be on the eye. Beautiful. Let's take a smaller brush. Just same kind with that lighter brown. I'm just gonna put it right over the edge there. If I have any fallout, just quickly buff it out. Using little quick flicker motions of it so I could pick up the product without pressing it into the skin. All right, let's take a little bit more black with this black brush we're using. And I just want to smoke the tiniest bit out more. I don't want any harsh edges. I want it to be very sultry. I'm quickly gonna take brush again, little soft swipes. There we go. A very smoky eye so far. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of highlighter. I'm using a whiter one. I'm gonna put that on my brow bone. It's a little more intense than I thought it was gonna be. So I'm gonna buff that out in the moment. I'm just gonna put a little bit more on this side. Like, it's beautiful. It might have been just a little bit more intense than I was originally going for. And then taking that blender brush with the product in it and just going over the edge of it so everything can be soft and no harsh lines. Beautiful. Now we're gonna play with some glitter. So you're gonna take your glitter glue, just put a little bit on your back of your hand. Let me get my glitter ready. I'm using silver glitter. I'm gonna take a bit of it. You wanna put it in a good portion over my lid. Your glitter, your choice. I'm going for a really fine silver that I kind of dust for a good portion of the eye. Realize I grabbed the wrong brush. I would use something a little bit more thick so I could fan it out a bit. And then if you have time before your glue sets, you'll have time to just pull the glitter out so it diffuses into that black. You may want to create more of a harsher line. As you can see, it's like a detailed line going in and then pulling out when we get to this part, where I just want it to softly diffuse. See that? Beautiful. Softly diffuse into the rest of the color there. And we'll do the same to the other eye. Like I said, if you do it all before your glitter glue sets, then it should easily give you a soft diffusion of that glitter. Otherwise, you'll just have to go back in with your glitter and then replace it where you want it. There we go, strong hit of glitter. It's Christmas. Go crazy. And now I want to get rid of the rest of the glitter. So once again, just little flicking motions with my brush. Get rid of everything that has fallen. Your choice if you want to keep it there. I don't. I want to keep the glitter focused on the one spot of my face. Okay. I'm just going to take my brush slightly over top there. And then, with that white powder that we had earlier that I used on my highlight, I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it in the center here. So I still want a little inner corner highlight, but I don't want the glitter effect. I just want to have a sheen. There we go, inner corner highlight. Fantastic. Now let's take a little bit of black, because I'm going to create a liner on the top of my lid. I'm just going to follow that along the top. I didn't want to use a liquid liner today because I want the focus to be just on the shadow and the glitter and have a soft diffusion of color. I'm just adding this little bit of, oh, that was good. Oh my God, can you imagine if I can't get that off my nose? Kidding. Oh my God, use the wrong brush. Thought I had the powder brush on there. Oh yeah, until I get it fixed there. We'll work it out. Let's have a really strong contour today. God, that was brilliant. And we'll just create a shadow there. Okay, back in with that brush. Creating that line. And I don't think I finished my thought, but I'm just putting it there because I'm putting false lashes on. And I just want the black to mask the lash band. Beautiful. All right, mascara time. Now let's not get this part on my nose. Not putting a lot on the top lash. Just enough to cover the lashes so it blends in with the false lashes. Want to put a little bit extra on the bottom though. So I do want those to stand out against all the black shadow that we put there. Beautiful. And none on my nose. Amazing. Okay. I'm gonna put some falsies on and then we'll get to the lips. You know, everyone's allowed to struggle a little bit before Christmas, right? Okay, so we're gonna put my lashes on. I can do like my regular trick. I'm gonna put the glue on the one lash band first, put her down, put it on my next lash band, that away, and then go back to the first lash, where by then the glue should be fairly dry, that I should be able to place it on my lid quite easily. I say should because a lot of things have went wrong this time, so I don't wanna jinx it. So far, so good. It's easier to use your fingers for your lashes, go for it. I just have really long nails, so it makes it easier to use tweezers. There we go. Beautiful. Now lips. Lips are gonna be easy because it's a nude lip. So taking any nude lip, lay it all over. You could leave it there if you want, but I'm gonna put a liner on. Because I do want my lips to stand out. Right now they're a little bit too nude for myself. So I'm gonna take a little liner, a little pink undertone to it. I'm gonna sharpen this. Still want to define my lip. Simple, and since I am a gloss girl, I always need to put gloss on as well. I like that added shine. I get gloss on my chin. Just a mess today. All right, here is our single and looking, where the eyes look like they're on the hunt, but the lips are pure. So you're single and looking, and I calmed it down. You can make it more intense if you want. I want to make it more draggy, just easy, add more black, put a little bit darker into the crease, fantastic. If you want to make it a little bit softer, and you don't want to do all this color, just go to where I did the eyeshadow and just add this chunky glitter just on that inner corner there, and that will give you another dramatic look without doing what I just did. Other than that, this is single and looking. Pay attention to the next 2 episodes where we are going to be doing nude eye, bold lip, and then one with them both. So check it out, future Basically All episodes. Bye.